Welcome to week 2. One thing you might be experiencing again is a little bit increased pain. So remember, we're breaking down tissue, we're causing inflammation, it might cause a little bit of pain, might cause a little bit of bruising. So again, nothing to worry about, just stay the course and make sure you're performing your treatments. Now, if you are doing the massage and it feels like it's causing too much pain, let's say example that you rate your pain greater than a 5 out of 10 as you're doing the massage. A simple thing you can do is just ease the tension on the strap so it's not as deep and it's not quite as painful. Now, it's not uncommon to have a little bit of pain when you're doing this, but I don't want it significant. So again, if it's greater than a 5 out of 10 on the pain scale, just reduce the tension a little bit.
Another question you might be asking yourself is, can I continue to do the activities that cause me pain, like pickleball? Can I play pickleball? Can I golf? Or can I lift weights? The short answer is yes, but we don't want you to increase your activity level so that the pain gets too high. So if you can keep your pain level at like a 5 out of 10, that's recommended.
Another question we get is, how often can I use the machine? Because that pain feels so good, I want to do it more often. But remember, we're breaking up scar tissue and we want that tendon to heal, so give it that day of rest. Don't do this machine every day. Make sure you're following the program at an every other day pace, because that allows that tendon to heal during those rest days, which will ultimately help you down the line.
If you have any other questions, please reach out.